favorite mong pang-distress? Kunyari, have a free
I
day
watch
from work.
movies. I love...
Perfect pala na we're here.
Yeah, I know.
watching...
I know. Kaya nga, itong ganda na hours yan. Friends.
Oh, okay.
Na nung nag-end na sila, na-depress ako.
Oh.
Kasi feeling ko wala na yung mga friends ko.
Oh.
Feeling ko friends ko sila talaga.
So, movie, parang yearly pang-friends.
Yeah. And of course, listening to music, I love, like right now, pinagtitipan ko, mga OPM. So, tuntua ako. So, pag may nagpo-promote, dun sa show namin, ninanakaw ko yung CD. Para akin na.
Nagnanakaw na CD. They will give you the CD with autograph.
Oo, ninanakaw ko talaga. Kunwari ako yung hahawak ko. Pero after, hindi ko na binabalik. Yun yung mga pang-distress ko para.
But if ever you were to choose one song na parang bagay sa life mo, kasama sa soundtrack ng movie. Either your song or someone else's song.
Siguro pwedeng My World With You because it's happy. It's a happy song. Happy naman ako ngayon. So,
we like that.
So yun. My World With You. It's in the soundtrack. Duet namin ni Piolo.
And of course, the song of the movie is Paano Kita Iibigin. Yes. How is it working together for that song?
Kasi I produced also the soundtrack. It was so easy working with Piolo. Kasi alam na niya yung gagawin niya eh. Although, parang feeling ko na-trauma yata siya the first time na kasi ako din yung nag-voice coach eh. Kasi syempre, I'm the producer. Parang na-trauma yata siya. Pero sabi niya, hindi naman daw.
But we did have an interview with him and he said na parang nung re-record daw niya yung song niya, pagkatagal-tagal, tas when you recorded your song, parang bilis, tas he's like, wow, ang galing talaga niya.
Hindi kasi naman, parang, ang tagal, parang, pinag-aralan ko na kasi yun. I studied both our parts. So, I could, teach him his part, para kung meron akong may gustong pagawa sa kanya. So, bugbog na yun sa tenga ko. Plus, kaya ako mabilis mag-record kasi nabibingi ako kaagad. So, usually yung mga first, second, mga third take, yun yung maganda. Pero pag tumagal pa doon, Pumapangit na kasi nabibingi na ako sa mas madaming, mas hindi siya malinis. So, ayun. Pero si Piolo, he made my job really easy because kasi alam na niya yung gagawin niya eh. If I tell him to do this, do that, alam niya eh. So, I didn't have a hard time at all. Actually, tuwan-tuwa nga ako eh. Mainit yung studio. Dun sa saan kami nag-record. Sabi ko, alam mo, just take your shirt off and I'll be okay.
May behind-the-scenes footage mo.
Pero talagang, isa pa yun sa mga nakakatuwa dito sa film na to. Kasi since I produced nga the soundtrack, nakilala ko rin yung ibang side ni Piolo. Singer side. And siguro siya din nakilala niya yung producer side of me. So, mas naging closer pa kami kasi nalaman niya kung paano ako magtrabaho as a producer. Nalaman ko rin kung paano siya magtrabaho as a singer.
Grabe ng closeness ito. Kaya if you want to see that closeness, of course, catch the movie. This is our phone-in question. Paano ba iibigin ang isang Regine V? Because that's the title of the movie. So there's a question again. Paano ba iibigin ang isang Regine V?
Ang hirap pala. Nag-isip. Chip ako eh. Hindi. Gusto ko kasi I want somebody who's romantic. Syempre yung mga flowers, yung mga ganyan. Gusto naman natin yun. Pero hindi ako pakipot. Hindi ako pakipot. Pag gusto ko na, hindi ako talaga nagpapakipot. Kaya lang, meron akong hinahanap na pag hindi ko mahanap, kahit meron nasa harap ko, hindi ko makikita kung sino yung nasa harap ko kasi meron akong hinahanap na iba. Ganun ako. Parang, pag nakita ko na, alam ko na yun. Kaya I follow my instinct kasi na ito yung gusto ko. Kahit na nag-uusap pa lang kami, meron akong chemistry na nararamdaman or whatever, alam ko ito na yun. Ganun ako eh. So, ganun. Madali lang naman ako. Siguro, dun sa ibang tao, they think I'm parang mahirap abutin or whatever kasi they see me sa concerts. But I'm like the easiest person to please. I like, watching movies, kumain sa karinderya, fishball.
Saan karinderya kaya yun?
Ang gusto ko fishball. Gusto ko
Talaga?
mga ganyan, oo.
O yan, tips yan, fishball. Wait, sweet sauce, sour, or spicy?
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Suka. Mahilig sa suka. Parang ang dami na nilang alam ko po sa akin.
Ang galing na!
Pag-uwi ko sa bahay, puro fishball yung bahay.
Imbis na flowers yung pinapadala ng mga fishball, yung pinapadala ng mga fans. Alright, sa last question na lang. After everything you've achieved, do you still have any big dreams na gusto mong maabot? Whether career, personal, for your family?
Sa ngayon, I can't really ask for anything more.
That kind of feeling.
Yeah, because God has just blessed me tremendously. Everything that I've asked for, He gave it to me. Siyempre, kailangan din ako to work hard, no? Hindi ka naman pwedeng magdasalang. You also have to work. You also have to work at it. So, siyempre, kung ano man yung dreams mo, you have to work hard para makuha mo yun. But still, dami kong blessings. My family is okay. Because of this industry, because of this job, napag-aral ko lahat ng mga kapatid ko and my parents, they're okay. They have, actually, mga kapatid ko, they have their own lives. So, ako ngayon, parang iniisip ko na lang yung sarili ko na I want to settle down one day and siguro medyo mag-rest ng konti. Have more time for myself and maybe for my parents. Kasi nga yung mga kapatid ko yung sarili-sarili na sila. Pero sa career, I can't really ask for anything. I'm very, very blessed. Lahat talaga ng gusto kong gawin, nagawa ko na. So, happy na ako.
And you deserve it. Thank you very much, Miss Regine Velasquez, for being here on vlog. Thank you very much. Earlier, I was so nervous because this is the first time I met you and I was so nervous. But you're so nice in person, so thank you.
Actually, fake lang yan na. Salbahe talaga ako in real life. No, but thank you and happy anniversary to vlog.
Thank you. And of course, napanood ko kaya ito.
Wow! Pinabasa ko yung mga text. Nakakatawa yung mga...
Thank you once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. And good luck to the movie.
Ganda itong pelikula ko.